Hello everyone. I wanted to post some vlogs earlier this week, but my nephew was staying with me, so I didn't have a lot of free time for vlogging. I solved that messy code I was handling at work. I did a really good job too. Originally, the code was taking 298 seconds to return the desired results. After I rewrote the bastard, it now takes less than a second. The code was suffering from what can only be called the death by 1,000 cuts. It had 1,000 little problems that were all adding up to slow execution. So I targeted the worst offenders in the code and optimized the shit out of them, or just rewrote them entirely. What's funny is the site kept trying to block me because I didn't have certain authorized roles, or because I didn't have access to certain things. Old code that doesn't like Bruce. Bruce. So I just inserted every possible authorization role I could into my account via SQL Developer, aka gave myself God mode, and then the site stopped bitching after that. I've been writing some C++ wrapper classes to make using SDL2 easy. Well, easier I should say. SDL2 is already pretty easy to use. I've been modeling them after my DirectX wrappers from my school days, and my project is coming along pretty nicely. I can create windows, load images, and take input now. Those are some of the biggest hurdles, and they're done now, so I can get further along with my other game projects I'm always working on. Here, take a look. Okay, so to show off my wrappers so far, well, first of all, I have the SDL window class, which created my window. Top left corner, it is the name of my project. The resolution is a size that I specified. It's not full screen as I specified. If I press right on my WASD, if I tell him to go right, he goes right. If I press down, he goes down. If I press left, he goes left. If I press up, he goes up. I can do several keys at once. If I hold down the mouse button, he will follow me. So that's good for like having a special cursor for your game, like most games do. If I left click, if I middle click, if I right click. So everything works on this thing. If I press the button that I designated as quitting, it will quit. So it's coming along pretty good. Okay, well I think that's all I have to talk about for now. Have a good one.